Hello students of class 7th. This is your articles chapter number 2 from grammar book. There is no such definition of articles, but the words a and the are known as articles. Articles are the determiners and they point out the nouns. They are always placed before the nouns. The articles have been categorized in two categories: the indefinite articles and the definite article. Indefinite articles are a and n. The definite article is the. Let's talk about the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are a and n that are used before the common, singular and countable nouns. For example, a boy, a girl, an anchor, an honest man, an hour, an island, and so on. A is used before the consonant sound words, and an is used before the nouns that begin with a vowel sound. We'll talk about the definite article. Definite article is the that is used to refer the specific noun. For example, the first stroke, the ordinal numbers, the tiger. If in a sentence anything is put on stress, if anything is being stressed out, in that manner a is being used over there. The sun, the mountain, like this. Here are a few more examples, like Kalijai is a small island in Lake Chilka, whereas before Lake Chilka there is no article that is required. Then Meena caught a bad cold last night. It's not necessary that everywhere an article has to be inserted. Like a good dictionary is a must for every. We cannot use must have for the every student, a every student, or in every student. Before every, there is no such article that is required over here. The names of group of countries, nationalities, religious communities, mountain ranges, specific names are given over there. Before these names, the is used. The, as I had already told you, it is a definite article. The Western Ghats, the Parliament, the Ganga River. New Delhi is the capital of India, and so on.